Standard 11th First Mathematics exercise 1.3 second question solved by matrix inversion method. First subdivision 3x minus y plus 2z is equal to 13. Second equation 2x plus y minus z is equal to 3. Third equation x plus 3y minus 5z is equal to minus 8. So what you'll have to do is first we'll write it as there, the constants are separate only, so straight away you can go. The given system can be written as so you'll have to form a 3 by 3 matrices because 3 equations are given, so you'll have to form 3 by 3 matrices. Take the coefficient of x, y and z. So coefficient of x is 3, y is minus 1, z is 2. Then for second equation again coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of y is 1, coefficient of z is minus 1. For third equation coefficient of x is 1, y is 3, z is minus 5. So this will form a 3 by 3 matrices and the variables x, y and z is there. So x, y, z, write it in your column wise. That is equal to your constants 13 and here it is 3 and there it is minus 8. So this is A, this is x, this is equal to B, where A is equal to your 3 by 3 matrices 3, minus 1, 2, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, 3, minus 5. And your capital X is equal to x, y, z in your column wise. And your B is equal to 13, 3, minus 8. Now you will have to find your x. X is equal to, from here you can write A inverse B. So first we will have to find A inverse, then you will have to multiply that with your B. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So first you will have to find determinant of A from the formula itself. Determinant of A, then adjoint of A, then you will have to club together to get your A inverse. So first we will go with determinant of A, that is A is here, you will have to find the determinant. So 3, minor of 3 you will have to write it. So leave that column and the row. So the left out term will be 1, minus 1, 3, minus 5. Then you have got to form it over there plus, minus and plus. So put this minus, then again minus 1 is there. So minus 1, then open your bracket. Minor of minus 1 you will have to write it. So remove that row and the column. So left out term is 2 minus 1, 1 minus 5. So 2 minus 1, 1 minus 5. Then the third term it is 2. We have got plus only, so plus 2. Open your bracket. Minor of 2 has to be found out. So remove that row and column. So the left out term will be 2, 1, 1, 3. So it is 2, 1, 1, 3. So now the solving 3 into multiply these two terms. It is minus 5. Again minus from the format 3 into minus 1. So I will just write plus 3. Because minus into this minus will become plus, so 3 is there. Then minus into minus plus 1. Open your bracket. 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. Again minus is there and inbuilt minus. The format minus will be there. So minus and minus will become plus. 1 into 1 is 1 itself. Then plus 2 into 3 2s are 6. Minus from the format 1 1s are 1. So 3 into minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 plus 1 into minus 10 plus 1 is minus 9 plus 2 into 6 minus 1 is 5. So this is 3 2s are 6 with minus plus 1 into minus 9 is minus 9 plus 5 2s are 10. So minus 6 plus into minus is minus 9 plus 10 that is equal to minus 15 plus 10 is equal to minus 5, which is not equal to 0. So therefore A inverse exists. So we'll have to find next adjoint of A. To find adjoint of A, you need your cofactor. So Aij will have to find it. So this you are done in your 1.2 as well as in your 1.1 also. So straight away put a big bracket. So we'll just start with 3. The minor of 3 is remove that row and column. So 1 minus 1, 3 minus 5. So 1 minus 1, 3 minus 5. So you got a format over there. So it is plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. So this format you will have to use for your inserting of a symbol. Next is minus is there. Here also you will have to write minus, open your bracket. So minus 1, minor of minus 1 you will have to find it. So the remove the row and the column. So 2 minus 1, 1 and minus 5. So 2 minus 1, 1 minus 5. Then the third element 2. So plus is there, so put plus, open your bracket. So remove that column and the row. So the left out terms will be 2, 1, 1, 3. So 2, 1, 1, 3. Next second row, first element minus is there. So put minus, open your bracket. So minor of 2 you will have to find it. So remove that column and the regarding row. Second row you will have to remove it. So the left out is minus 1, 2, 3 minus 5. So minus 1, 2, 3 minus 5. Second row, second element, that is 1. So here you have got plus, open your bracket. So minor of 1 you will have to find it. So remove that row and column. Second row and second column you will have to remove it. So 3, 2, 1 minus 5. So 3, 2, 1 minus 5. Then third is with minus. So minus, open your bracket. That is minus 1. Minor of minus 1 you will have to find it. So second row, third column you will have to eliminate it. So the answer is 3 minus 1, 1, 3. So 3 minus 1, 1, 3. So third row, first element 1. The minor of 1 has to be found out. So the removing row and column. So you will get minus 1, 2, 1 minus 1. So minus 1, 2, 1 minus 1. Now minus is there, put minus, open your bracket. The minor of 3 has to be found out. So second column, third row has to be eliminated. So 3, 2, 2 minus 1. 3, 2, 2 minus 1. Then third row, third element. So minus 5. So removing that column and the row. So the left out terms are 3 minus 1, 2, 1. So this is your Aij, that is your cofactor of A. Solving. So 1 and minus 5 you have to multiply. So we'll get minus 5. Again this is minus is there. Inbuilt you will have minus. Minus and minus will become plus. 3 ones are 3. Next is minus. Open your bracket. 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. Same way minus is there. So I'll put input minus. So minus and minus will become plus. 1 ones are 1. Then plus. Open your bracket. 3 twos are 6. Minus from the format. 1 ones are 1. Second row, minus is there outside. Open your bracket. Minus 1 minus 5 will become plus 5. Minus from the format. So minus 3 twos are 6. Then plus, open your bracket. 3 into minus 5 is minus 15. Then 2 ones are 2. Minus will be there. So minus 2. Minus, open your bracket. 3 threes are 9. Minus from the format. So minus and minus will become plus. 1 ones are 1. So again here minus 1 and minus 1 will become plus 1. Then it is 2 with minus. So minus 2. Minus, open your bracket. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. minus, this is 2 2s are 4. Then open your bracket, 3 1s are 3, minus will be there in your format, so minus and minus will become plus, 2 1s are 2. The last step of solving, minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. This is minus 9, but minus is outside, so it will become plus 9. 6 minus 1 is 5. Second row, this is when you are subtracting, 5 minus 6 is minus 1. Minus of minus 1 will become plus 1. This is when both are minus, so add and put the same sign, so minus 17. 9 plus 1 is 10, minus is there outside, so minus 10. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. This is minus 7, but minus is outside, so it will become plus 7. 3 plus 2 is 5. So this is your Aij. Now you will have to find adjoint of A. So adjoint of A is equal to Aij transpose. Transpose we have done before. Nothing but changing your rows to column, otherwise column to rows. So here I will just change the rows to column, first row to first column. So you will have minus 2, 9, 5. Second row to second column, 1, minus 17, minus 10. Then third row to third column, minus 1, 7, 5. So this is your adjoint of A. Now inverse, you will have to find it. A inverse is equal to 1 by, we have written the formula before, it is determinant of A. Determinant of A, we have got minus 5, so I will write minus 5 here, into your adjoint of A. So this answer, what we have got it here, that answer, minus 2, 1, minus 1, 9, minus 17, 7, 5, minus 10, 5. So this is your A inverse. Now you will have to find your x. Last is solving of x only, we will have to find it. So x is equal to A inverse into B. So A inverse is nothing but this whole answer. So I will write minus 1 by 5 into, open your bracket, minus 2, 1 minus 1, 9 minus 17, 7, 5 minus 10, 5. Into your B, we should have written before. Your B is 13, 3 minus 8. In the beginning of the sum it will be there. So if you want you can check it there. Okay, so 13, 3 and minus 8. Normal multiplication, minus 1 by 5. Open your bracket. First row and only one column is there. So with that column you have to multiply. So minus 2 into 13 is minus 26. Plus 1 into 3 is plus 3. Minus 1 into minus 8 is plus 8. Your second row and that column. So second row, 9 into 13 is 117 you will get. Minus 17 into 3 is minus 51. 7 into minus 8 is minus 56. Third row in the same column, 5 into 13 is 65. Minus 10 into 3 is minus 30. 5 into minus 8 is minus 40. So which is equal to 1 by 5 with minus, open your bracket, solving you will get minus 26 plus 3 plus 8. The answer will be minus 15. 117 minus 51 minus 56, answer will be 10. 65 minus 30 minus 40 is minus 5. So that is equal to, you will have to divide each term by 5 and minus is also there. So minus into minus it will become plus. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So the first answer is 3. Second answer is plus into minus is minus. 10 by 5 is 2. Third answer is minus into minus is plus. So 5 by 5 it will become 1. So this is nothing but your capital X, that is x, y, z is equal to, this answer is 3 minus 2, 1. So therefore the answers you can declare, x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 2, z is equal to 1. So this is the answer for your Second question, first subdivision.